Melanie here at Forest City Surplus. We're going to talk about sun protection while you're out having fun in the sun this summer. We've got lots of fun hats in a few different colors that all provide some nice sun protection for 360 degrees. This green one, white one. Those guys are all $19.95. We've got lots more colors and styles in those ones. Some have vent holes for some airflow, and if the 360 degree band is not your style, we've also got some fun ball caps, sparkly and diva. Some that say super bitch. And we have lots more hats down here at Forest City Surplus. You can come visit us at 1712 Dundas Street in London. We also have a website, fcsurplus.com. The best part is all of those hats are under $20. Come get your sun protection, guys. It's very important, especially if you're going to be spending time in the lovely summertime heat.